and the 1 and the 2, front, back. I'm gonna work down, down with my knee help me, down, down, and more side. When we go down, we go slide to stretch this side. This side have to be very straight when you're working, okay? Special position with our heels, okay? Open, front. I'm gonna step on my feet. When I'm gonna close my belly, I'm gonna step on my heels, okay? Point front, your belly, your hips up. Belly front, hips up. Right side, okay? Side and down. Inside, pay attention to my heels. Inside, left side. Stretch this side. And together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 1. And the 2. Circle, circle, close. Now front, down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together. Okay, and take good position. Let's practice with the amplitude. To add the amplitude, we have to use our heels and do step. For example, front, right, close, left, front, right, close, back, and together. 1, E, open, close, open, close.